Hello, my name is Miss Sophie and I am the P1 and P2 English Fundamental and Supplemental teacher.
And I'm Master Sam. I'm the P1 Mathematics teacher and EP Head of Foreign Teachers.
Welcome to ACSP OpenHouse.
Well, let's see what we've got in store today.
Let's go!
Assumption College Simultacan English Programme is accredited as a Cambridge International School, providing instruction together with the Thai curriculum following the Ministry of Education standard. Cambridge International Assessment Education UK provides EP course measurements and assessments and teaching materials for English, mathematics and science subjects.
Welcome to the English programme.
This is the building for primary 1 to secondary 6 students. For primary 1 learners, there are 2 programs. First, the English program, which has 60% of subjects taught in English, 34% of subjects taught in Thai, and 6% taught in Chinese. For the new program, English Chinese program, it has 49% of subjects taught in English, 34% of subjects are taught in Thai, and 17% are taught in Chinese.
Here in the English programme, we use Cambridge International books such as this one, Collins Primary English and Think Mathematics, in conjunction with our other facilities to create an active learning environment for our students. Teaching in both programmes focuses on developing student potential, nurturing ideas through technological media and content from foreign publishers accredited by the University of Cambridge. We create a fun learning environment, learn English and Chinese naturally by communicating with native speaking teachers.
We are now on the 2nd floor in the EP building in front of the P1 classrooms.
Come inside and see how we learn.
Active learning focuses on sharpening and deepening thinking skills, whilst creating real-life work experiences. Students develop through activities of self-directed learning. We have teachers who are native English speakers that collaborate with Thai teachers to take care of students closely. With only 30 students per room, everyone has the opportunity to learn and reach their full potential. Children acquire unique traits according to the characteristics of the learners who study under the Cambridge curriculum. These are to be confident, responsible, innovative, reflective, and engaged. Here at ACSP, we have lots of extracurricular activities to help grow your child's mind and potential. Let's have a look at some of the facilities and activities right now.
The school has modern classrooms and a great learning environment, secure, comfortable learning areas, fun places to play, and a wonderful overall study atmosphere. We have CCTV systems in every classroom. There are extracurricular activities offered according to the children's personal interests and for promoting Thai culture in a variety of ways, such as through the ACSP football field, fitness centre, swimming pool, basketball courts, Albert Lawrence Hall, Discovery Centre, Makerspace, Louis Marie Library, Culinary Room, Art Room, ACSP Music Centre, to expand the children's imagination. Activities such as field trips, camps abroad, morning assemblies and EP Good Manners, among others.
At ACSP, we pride ourselves in developing lifelong learners.
All students will be given the opportunities to develop important life skills, such as public presentation, goal setting, research skills, and resilience skills, in order to prepare learners to be adults of the future in the context of Thai culture and the 21st century. Our graduates will be globally competitive and able to live and adapt to any challenges they may face in the fast-changing world. With our help, your child will reach international standards.
You can find us at our website, on Facebook at We Love EP, and on YouTube at ACSP English Program. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.
Well, that's it for us today. I hope you've had a wonderful day with us. I know I have, and we hope to see you very, very soon.
Your child's success and happiness is ACSP's goal.
Okay, can you try the next one?
I have an idea. Yeah. I think the first one is going to can do it. I mean the one that you will do it at the middle.
Hannah, can you help me, Hannah?
Yeah.
Hannah, what goes here?
Squares.
A square. Excellent. And what goes here?
Square two.
A square too? Oh my goodness.
1、2、3，开始转转转转转转转转转，然后停，然后就出来一个球。好，然后这个读什么？
老师。
好，停。哦，非常好 ，OK。
เก่งมาก